So I wanted to show you some gameplay earlier, and we're talking about capture cards. So capture cards was something that's really important, obviously, and necessary to capture something like gameplay. And so what is my #1 recommended capture card? And so right now I'm in Cyberpunk 2077. Here we go. Let me go ahead and power up my controller. And you know, obviously everybody is able to capture gameplay now these days, right? And so if you want people to watch your stream, or that you want them to watch whatever you're capturing on your screen, you need to have a high quality capture card, and you need to be able to capture high quality gameplay. And the most affordable way to do that, in my opinion, is to use the Elgato HD60S Plus. It is capturing the footage that you see in the background right now. And hold on a second. Am I burdened? Okay, there we go. It's capturing the footage that you see in the background right now, and it is under $200. And what I like about this capture card is it allows you to capture gameplay in 1080p 60 frames per second. But you can also, by the way, I'm gonna just slice these dudes up real quick with a knife. Make sure the kids aren't around. Okay, this guy's innocent. But you can capture gameplay in 1080p 60 frames per second, but then you can play in 4K. And that's the really important thing here, because I think a lot of you guys are probably, maybe you have 4K monitors, you have 4K TVs, you have 2K monitors, 2K TVs, whatever it may be, and you maybe want to play at a higher resolution, but you aren't going to be able to live stream at that super high resolution, right? And so one thing that you're going to want to consider is getting a capture card that will allow you to play at the high resolution, but you can still capture at 1080p 60 frames per second. And so that is what the Elgato HD60S Plus does versus the Elgato HD60. And so what do I mean by that? So can I get in this building here? I gotta get in this building somehow. Maybe it's through the back. Maybe I have to go in through the roof. We'll figure it out. But that's the big difference between these two capture cards. And so think about that. And if you, if you're getting a capture cards aren't just for capturing gameplay either. So if you're looking to capture meetings, if you're looking to capture PowerPoint presentations, if you're looking to capture anything at all that you would want to put on the screen and have a super high quality recording of it, capture cards are a fantastic solution for that, obviously. And so let me just show you the capture cards I'm using. So basically, check it out. So down here, my gameplay is coming out of this computer, which is the HP Omen 30L. And then I'm running that through a series of capture cards to bring you the gameplay that you're seeing today. And so the main capture card that I'm featuring right now is the Elgato HD60S Plus. It's right back here. And so I'm basically, one HDMI cable is coming in from my gaming computer into this capture card. And then that capture card's HDMI cable is going out to my monitor. So I'm able to play my game in 4K, 60 frames per second, HDR. But I'm capturing the gameplay over here on my streaming computer at 1080p, 60 frames per second. And so this allows me to play in super high quality and then to stream at a lower quality or choose my quality of my stream. That's the awesome thing about the Elgato HD60S Plus. I love this capture card. It is the best capture card for the money on planet Earth.